People ask me all the time, why do a paver driveway over concrete? Well, here are 5 reasons. Reason 1 to choose a paver driveway: durability. Pavers last longer, and all you have to remember, concrete cracks, pavers don't. Second reason, aesthetics. Pavers look far better. We have tons of colors, tons of styles. It looks great, it adds value, your home is gonna be worth more, your curb appeal is better. Go with a paver driveway. The third reason, they're eco-friendly. We offer a number of permeable options. So if your home is experiencing standing water or you have issues with stormwater, put in a permeable driveway and it'll help solve those. The fourth reason, they're easy to repair. If you have an issue with your paver driveway, you just lift up the individual pavers, you re-prepare the base, and you put them right back down. In the Lowcountry, we get a lot of tree roots, and on a standard concrete driveway, you're gonna get a big crack, and that concrete has to be patched. It's never going to match. Reason number 5, and most importantly, they last a lifetime. Our products, in particular, Lowcountry Paver, offers a lifetime warranty against crack. These products are built to last. They do not fade, they will not crack, and if they do, we will replace them.